Hello everyone, I am Venkata Sai Sumant. I hope everyone is safe in this crisis time. We present before you the Pharmaport website. We care for your health. These are the contents we will be discussing in this presentation. I will walk you through all these contents one by one. Let me start off with the business plan. The website provides the facility to store all the medical records like prescriptions given by doctors, scanned copies of x-rays, CT scan, MRI, and everything related to reports of a person from birth to present in digital format. Let us see an example to make the idea clear. Murali, a 25-year-old boy, has a skin problem, so he booked an appointment and went to Apollo Hospital. The receptionist takes his phone number and a unique code generated by our website. The receptionist gives the details of Murali along with the unique code of the respective doctor to authorization service, which in turn connects the doctor and the patient by giving the doctor access to the patient's medical records on successful verification. Now, when the doctor is about to prescribe some medicines, he fills in a form along with the timelines. Now, Murali's website account is updated with prescriptions and test reports given by the doctor. Murali can also rate the doctors and give feedback to the hospital services. I hope the example shows how helpful the pharma port to Murali was. Let us see how the website makes money. There are two ways for the website to earn money. Each user is provided with limited storage to store medical records at first, but have to pay for increasing storage. The second is through ads. Next comes the market analysis and potential customers. The potential customers are obviously hospitals, patients, labs, members of educational websites. We believe people would identify and definitely make use of PharmaPort, as we believe medical records are like Sanjeevani. They have to be protected lifelong, could not be lost. This website serves as a very safe place for everyone. Moreover, carrying these records everywhere we move is not feasible. Let us look into the services now. For Calendar API, we'll be using the Google Calendar, authentication through two-factor API, and payment API for subscription and donation, reCAPTCHA API, and Drive for storage of files. Services which we are providing: authentication, medical data to hospitals. The medical data of users of this website is given to registered hospitals and labs. Doctors rating. Some online consultancy websites can use the ratings to find the best doctor. Medical data of users can be given as data sets for websites like Kaggle. Now comes the requirement analysis. Under functional requirements, we have storage of reports, access to reports, authentication, rating system. And under non-functional requirements, we have performance in terms of speedy update of reports, encryption, integrability with other services. Tech stack. These are the tech stack which we are planning to use: HTML, Django, React, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and MongoDB. We took these options as we are already familiar working with them in the previous semester. Moreover, MongoDB represents data as JSON documents which are light to transfer between services, whereas React is good for readability and can set up a project with ease. Big companies like Facebook and Dropbox use it. Now comes the web pages and the work division part. We are planning to have 5 web pages in total for the website, and each person is taking up one web page to complete it, including the front end part and the back end part. The login and registration is done by Shashank, the home page by Hemant, the user page by Sumant, which is me, and Yashwant. Web page is by Ruday, and the payment page is also done by Yashwant. Now let's see how the timeline goes on. Design and the planning, like the wireframes and Swagger, will be submitted by October 14th. Programming and the documentation, the main part of the website, is expected by November 14th. Testing, review, and the final enhancements by November 19th. So by 20th November, we are planning to complete this project. So we hope this website PharmaPort turns out to serve people in need. Thank you.